All right, now let's take a look, see, at how to prepare a movie for publishing inside of Flash. So you've got a couple of options in terms of getting your content from an FLA file to actually to publish it out. You publish it out maybe to the web, or you publish it out for a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, authoring anything like that. Essentially, what you want to do is move it from your FLA file, your source file, into some sort of media that you can get the general public or a particular audience to view your content. Because right now it just sits on your computer and there's no way to get it off of there, and that's where publishing comes into play. So what we want to look at in terms of publishing is under our file menu we essentially have publish settings here, and publish preview, which we can take a look at what our settings are going to look like, and we have the publish command here. So we're going to take a look at the publish settings command, and our options are over here on the left hand side, and what we want to focus on are the publish option up here at the top, which is Flash, and we have some options down here at the bottom. Now, in order to publish for the web, you would want to publish two items out. You would want to publish your Swift file, your .swf, and you want to publish your HTML wrapper or your HTML file. So essentially, in order to publish for the web, you would want to make sure that this is checked here and this is checked here down at the very bottom. And those two items are going to give you content for the web. Now, in order to publish it out, you want to upload it, so you wanted to upload it to a server. You would change these output files to index.html, and I would just change, just for consistency's sake, I would change that to index.swswift. Now, for the content options for the Swift, these are pretty self-explanatory. You can adjust how the compression is set up for your audio and your audio stream events, and you can also elect to publish to particular Flash players, as well as Adobe Air for the Android and Air 2.5. You also have the option to change the action script that you're publishing to. We have written in at 3.0, so we want to make sure that 3.0 is checked. You can also set up different settings here for your profile if once you change these settings up. Options down here to bring your attention to. Size report is good because that's going to give you information in regards to your size of your Flash movie. And coming onto your HTML wrapper, you essentially have other options down here in terms of Flash templates, the browser to detect Flash versions that you're publishing to, as well as some alignment options down here. In terms of publishing out to a projector file is going to be a standalone file, which is basically going to contain a Flash element inside of an executable file. Those two options are down here. You can publish out to a Windows projector, or you can publish out to a Macintosh projector, or both of those at the same time. And that's essentially going to give you two different file types. You can launch those either on a Windows machine or a Macintosh machine. You can also publish out to specific file types as well. Once you're ready and you've actually selected the publishing type that you want, adjust your options here and just click on publish, and it will publish out the movie and essentially give you those files that are ready for distribution.